Hello, AI enthusiasts. Welcome back to AI Now, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of artificial intelligence. I'm Jonathan Same, and today we're exploring some groundbreaking advancements from OpenAI, Chatgpt-4o. Let's dive right in. Chatgpt-4o, the latest advancement in conversational AI by OpenAI, marks a significant leap in natural language processing, NLP. Building on the foundations of its predecessors, GPT-2 and GPT-3, ChatGPT-4o incorporates advanced features and improvements, enhancing its capabilities in generating human-like text. Evolution from previous versions. ChatGPT-4o is the result of extensive research and development, evolving from earlier models like GPT-2 and GPT-3. GPT-2 gained attention for its coherent text generation, while GPT-3, with its 175 billion parameters, was a milestone in language modeling. Despite its advancements, GPT-3 struggled with nuanced human emotions and maintaining long-term conversation context. ChatGPT-4o addresses these challenges with refined algorithms, more parameters, and improved training data, enabling it to provide accurate, contextually appropriate, and emotionally intelligent responses. ChatGPT-4o represents the future of human-AI interaction. It showcases how AI can not only assist us with tasks, but also connect with us on an emotional level, making technology feel more human.